Let's dive into integrations a little bit. This is something that we work a lot with clients on, is setting up integrations between their critical software platforms. And, of
Mhm.
course, their e-commerce platform like BigCommerce is going to be, for many companies, one of their main sales channels with their customers. For some companies, it's the only sales channel with their customers if they're fully online. So an integration is essentially connecting your e-commerce website, those other software platforms you use outside of the BigCommerce environment. We work a lot here at Anchor Group with a software called NetSuite, which is an ERP system owned by Oracle. Half of our business here at Anchor Group is solely devoted to working on the NetSuite ERP products. Right? Second half of our business is doing e-commerce build-outs like Max and I are talking about today. So as a natural part of that business model, right, we work with a lot of clients who have an e-commerce front end, use NetSuite on the back end, and we have to fill the void to create an integration that works between the two. So Max, chat with us a little bit about how an integration works and why it's important for a business.
Yeah, so integrations can work in a couple different ways. You have direct API to API integrations, which is where we'll use the NetSuite BigCommerce example, but we'll just take NetSuite. NetSuite has a scripting engine that we have access to. So we write NetSuite scripts and they go directly to BigCommerce. And that would be like a direct API to API integration. And then on the other side, we have kind of these hub and spoke model or these middleware approaches, which is where we'll send a request from something like NetSuite to a middleware, which will then flow through to BigCommerce. At Anchor Group, we do integrations for both needs. So we work on additional platforms that kind of act as that middleware. And then we also can do direct integrations to BigCommerce. So if you have whatever the system may be that has an API available to it, we can write some code that allows us to map those two APIs together and move data between the two systems.